Unlocking the power of an abundance mindset. 10 tips for a fulfilling life today. Let's dive into the abundance mindset. An abundance mindset is about more than just money. It's about shifting your entire perspective. Ready to transform your life? Let's do this. We're kicking things off with a game changer, embracing a growth mindset. This concept is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative way of thinking that can change your life. Professor Carol Dweck talks about this in her book, Mindset, focusing on how we view challenges and setbacks. She explains that our mindset shapes our reality. With a fixed mindset, you believe your abilities are set in stone. You might think you're either good at something or you're not, and there's no room for improvement. But with a growth mindset, you see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. You understand that effort and perseverance can lead to mastery. Think about learning to ride a bike. You didn't give up after the first fall. Each tumble was a lesson, each scrape a step closer to success. That's the power of a growth mindset. It encourages resilience and a love for learning. Start by becoming aware of yourself. Notice the words you use when you face a challenge. Challenge limiting thoughts and replace them with empowering affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I can't do this yet." Remember, your brain is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. Engage in activities that challenge your mind. And push your boundaries, embrace challenges. Celebrate your progress and never stop learning. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory when you adopt a growth mindset. You're opening yourself up to a world of possibilities. You're not just changing your thoughts, you're changing your life. Surround yourself with people who encourage growth and learning. Share your journey with others and inspire them to adopt a growth mindset too. Just like a garden, your mind needs nurturing. Feed it with positive thoughts, water it with continuous learning, and watch it flourish. Set goals that challenge you and push you out of your comfort zone. Remember, growth happens when you step beyond what you already know. Reflect on your achievements and recognize how far you've come. Celebrate your growth and use it as fuel to keep moving forward. Embrace a growth mindset and you'll find that the horizon is just the beginning of your journey. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about the incredible power of the beginner's mind. This concept, rooted in Zen Buddhism, encourages us to approach every situation as if we are encountering it for the first time. This isn't about being a novice at everything. It's about approaching life with curiosity and openness. Imagine the excitement of discovering a new city or the joy of learning about history. In a museum, these experiences are enriched when we let go of our assumptions. Remember, the excitement of learning something new. That's the energy we're tapping into. Whether it's a child eagerly participating in a classroom or an adult picking up a new instrument, the beginner's mind is all about embracing that enthusiasm. When you approach life with a beginner's mind, you let go of preconceived notions and embrace new perspectives. This mindset allows you to see the world in a different light. Whether you're sketching outdoors or brainstorming in a meeting, it's about finding joy in the process of learning and growing, even if you stumble along the way. Laughing while learning to ride a bike or smiling through a yoga pose that didn't go as planned. These moments are where growth happens. Start by being present and paying attention to the world around you with fresh eyes. Notice the details you might have overlooked before, like the intricate patterns on a leaf or the brush strokes in a painting. Embrace the unknown, celebrate your curiosity, and approach life with a sense of wonder. Whether you're hiking and come across a breathtaking view or simply watching a child play with bubbles, let these moments remind you of the beauty in the unexpected. Let's talk about wealth, and no, I'm not just talking about dollar signs. True wealth is multidimensional: finances, relationships, health, time, and purpose. Financial abundance is important, but it's not the be-all and end-all. True wealth comes from aligning your financial goals with your values, passions, and purpose. Begin by defining what truly matters to you. What are your values? What are your passions? Set goals that align with those values, whether they're financial, relational, or personal growth. Create a life where you have the resources to pursue your dreams and live a life of meaning and fulfillment. The gratitude advantage: shift your focus, shift your life. Gratitude is more than just a fleeting feeling. It's a powerful tool that can transform your entire outlook on life. Gratitude can rewire your brain for happiness and abundance. When you focus on what you have, rather than what you lack, you open the door to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Our brains have a negativity bias, but gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start a gratitude journal. This simple practice can shift your focus from negative to positive, helping you see the good in every situation. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big things. Even small moments of joy count. Over time, you'll notice a significant change in your mindset. Another powerful practice is gratitude meditation. This involves focusing your mind on the things you're thankful for, allowing you to cultivate a deep sense of appreciation and peace. Feel the gratitude in your heart. Let it wash over you. Express gratitude to others. When you share your appreciation, it not only uplifts you, but also strengthens your relationships. Tell someone you appreciate them, write a thank you note, or do something kind. These small acts of kindness can have a ripple effect, spreading positivity far and wide. Gratitude is contagious, and when you spread it around, it comes back to you tenfold. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll find to be grateful for. Focus on the good, and you'll attract more things to be grateful for. By shifting your focus, you can shift your life, creating a cycle of positivity and abundance that enriches every aspect of your existence. The power of affirmations. Speak your success into existence. Affirmations are positive statements that challenge and overcome negative thoughts and beliefs. Our thoughts create our reality. Negative self-talk can sabotage your success and happiness. Change your thoughts and in turn change your life. Identify the negative beliefs holding you back and create positive affirmations that contradict them. Write your affirmations down. Say them out loud and repeat them often. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more you'll start to believe them. Rewire your brain for success, happiness, and abundance. Win-win. Creating a world of abundance for everyone. Shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. In your interactions with others, a scarcity mindset creates competition, but an abundance mindset recognizes there's enough for everyone to thrive. Cultivate a win-win mentality by seeing others as potential collaborators, not competition. Become a giver, not just a taker. Share your knowledge, resources, and time. Approach relationships from a place of abundance, and you'll create stronger connections and attract more opportunities. Contribute to a more positive and abundant world for everyone. Building your abundance tribe. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your thoughts and beliefs. If you're surrounded by negative people, it's harder to maintain an abundance mindset. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and your vision. Take inventory of your current relationships. Spend more time with those who uplift you and less with those who bring you down. Set boundaries with negative influences. Limit your exposure to their negativity. You are the CEO of your life. Choose wisely who you spend your time with. Mastering your inner dialogue. The key to unlocking abundance. Our thoughts shape our beliefs, emotions, actions, and results. Negative self-talk sabotages your success and happiness. You have the power to change your thoughts. Focus on positive, empowering thoughts. Become aware of your thoughts and challenge negative ones. Reframe negative thoughts with more empowering interpretations. Your thoughts are not facts. Choose more empowering interpretations. The power of visualization. See it, believe it, achieve it. Visualization involves creating a clear, vivid mental picture of what you want to achieve. It's about aligning your subconscious mind with your goals and desires. When you visualize yourself achieving your goals, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and create a mental picture of yourself achieving your goal. Make it as vivid and detailed as possible. Experience it with all your senses. The more real you can make it feel, the more powerful the visualization will be. Savoring the journey, finding joy in the everyday. An abundance mindset is about appreciating the journey and finding gratitude in the present moment. Slow down, pay attention, and appreciate the good things. No matter how small, savor your meals. Appreciate nature, listen attentively to loved ones, and find joy in simple things. Practice gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Happiness isn't a destination, it's a way of traveling. Choose to find joy in the journey and savor the little things that make life beautiful. Embrace abundance. Your journey starts now. 10 powerful tips to unlock the power of an abundance mindset. Start implementing these tips into your daily life. Consistent effort will lead to a profound shift. Embrace the abundance that is already yours and create a life that is truly fulfilling. You've got this.